Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to make another account or add another account on your Roblox. So you can easily add your another account or create another account from here. So simply I'm just provide full guide. At first open my Roblox. So this method will be work on Android and iOS device. So open my Roblox. Click on to more option. Scroll down. As you can see, showing it to switch account. Okay, then you get add account option. Press on and log in to another account, or you get create new account. So select any on, log in or create new account, and just fill up this form and create another new account. So that's it.